Okay guys, here we have a 1990 Mitsubishi Minicab, the U19T model. It has four-wheel drive, high and low gears, as well as some differential lock. It's in really good condition. It has 62,000 kilometers, so about 40,000 miles or so. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of go through and go through all like the little imperfections. There are definitely a little on here, so I just want to make sure I take the time to do that. So let's start in the front. The trim looks pretty good. No peeling. Yeah, looks really good. The windshield wipers are good too. Looks like they've been changed recently. No rust on the front, which is a great positive. I really love just the face of this. The face of this truck. It looks great. Let's go through. Yep. So I mentioned it has four-wheel drive. I'm going to just stick to the outside. We've got a little. Looks like some paint. The paint in general looks like it's really good. Let's see, maybe a little scratch here, or maybe a dent, because the paint looks good. Small little marks. Let's look underneath here. Everything looks really clean. The wheel has a little bit of surface rust here. Let's see what else. I'm going to do the outside first. Let's just a little bit more surface rust here as well. Let's look underneath. Looks like the mud flap has a little crack in it. Underneath looks pretty good. Let's see if yeah, underneath looks pretty good. Here, a little bit of surface rust. Of flaking here, but that, you know, it's a 1990. Looks really good. A little discoloring here. Looks like maybe it was scraped a little bit. Doesn't look too bad. Same, yeah, it kind of goes down the side. Almost looks like some paint here. Battery. No covers needed on this one. We've got these really cool four-wheel drive mud flaps on the back. We've got the spare tire that looks like it's brand new. That was one thing I forgot to mention. The tread on these tires are good. They look really good. Yeah. I upgraded the gate protectors. Had a luggage carrier mat, but it got stolen out at the port, which sucks. I'll go through the cab in a minute. Lights are all good. Maybe a little bit cracking here in the rain guard, but that's really normal for these. This is interesting. Usually with the rain guard there, this is up here, but on this one it's like this kind of stock metal almost. It's very pliable. I guess it's a little better maybe than the plastic. Let's kind of go through some more. All the lights work, not cracked, really good kind of condition. And we're gonna kind of go through, see if you can see it a little better. That all comes out. And this is super rad. Minicab Mighty sticker in the back. Again, we've got the four-wheel drive here. And then it looks just like some discolor. I don't know what this is. Maybe it looks like some paint actually. Yeah, I don't know. This color is kind of throughout the vehicle. I don't know if this was the primary color and then it was repainted or what. Got a little scratch here, some rust. Again, very like minimal stuff. Little bit of surface rust here. Some more of that kind of bluish paint, which is interesting. Gates all work. This is a tri-fold. Folds right down. Also got this pretty cool it's got this pretty cool little toolbox. Trying to find the keys to open it up. But yeah, everything looks good on this side for sure. Let's check it out. Now we've got the bed. Okay, so there is some surface rust. That's really it though. This can all be taken out with just like a little vinegar spray. Get a little spray bottle, let it sit for a little bit, and then you just kind of wipe it out. Vinegar spray is definitely the best way to get rid of a majority of this. The most prominent rust area is right here, right in the bed. This can all be taken out for sure. Okay. Again, some more of this blue paint. The more I look at it, the more I think it's like the original color. The bed is in pretty good shape, just except for this right here. But again, put some vinegar spray on it. That's gonna basically kill all of the rust and maintain the paint. So again, let's see. So this is the trifold I was talking about. All three sides come down. It looks good. Inside is pretty good. You can always spray this with a bed liner if you wanted to, but I like to keep this as original as possible. All right, so now we've got the interior. On the driver's side, yeah, you see it's this blue again. That's interesting. So yeah, we've got, this is torn right here. Can always bring this to a fabricator to kind of redo this pocket if you'd like. The doors work. Little tear here. The seats in general though, they're in pretty good condition. Little tear here as well. A little bit of cracking. The passenger seat, obviously, it's in better condition. Driver seat's gonna get a majority of the work. Yeah, so this is just the 4-speed with high and low gears. You've got the 4-speed here. It's like a 500, I think 550 cc engine. And then you got your mileage, your 62,000 kilometers. Okay, everything here works. The blinkers, the lights, the wipers all work. Let's check out the other side. Fuck. Passenger side is good as well. Man, we actually have some books, some service books. Oh, these are pretty cool as well. Looks like we've got the original Minicab manual. I just picked this up at the port today, gave it a wash, and then let's see what else. Man, these are pretty cool. Yeah, so got the manual, some service books, and the other thing to keep in mind is each truck that is sold comes with a English translated manual. Let's check out the headliner. Headliner's good, no sagging. Let's see, yeah, the visors work well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is in fairly good condition. As I had mentioned, it was just the in the back of the bed here, but this is a sweet, really retro truck that I am kind of in love with. Again, it really comes down to the face. It looks fantastic. But yeah, I'm going to take this thing for a little test drive, see if you guys can tag along. Thanks.